Let's quickly move to another circuit. This is the circuit wherein this is 3 ohms resistor. This is the inductance of 0.4 Henry, and the supply is E is equal to 20 sine 10t plus 60, which is given. Now what we have to do is we have to find XL, Z, I naught, IT, and then VRT and VLT. Correct. Now let's solve one by one. Right. So the first thing is we know XL is equal to omega L. Omega is nothing but what? This. Correct. So I can say 10 into 0.4 is equal to 4 omega. Right. Now Z is equal to what? XL square plus R square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 5. 5 ohms. Okay. Now I naught is equal to what? V naught by Z. Right. So that gives us 20 by 5 is equal to 4 ampere. Correct. Now one more thing, and is, if you quickly see 10 phi here, let's say this is R, and this is XL, and this is phi. Okay. Now 10 phi is equal to XL by R, or I can say 4 by 3. Right. So phi is nothing but 53 degree. Okay. Now yeah, now we know this, that IT is equal to this minus phi, because basically they have given this is the thing they have given. But if we have to find the current here in the resistor, it is minus phi. So IT is equal to I naught sine 10t plus 60 minus phi. Correct. Or IT is equal to 4 sine 10t plus 60 minus, we just got what? 53 degree as phi. Further I can say IT is equal to 4 sine 10t plus 7. Okay. Now one thing to note here is, now when this current reached here, and what is this current? We found this. So whatever is the phase of this current will be the phase here as well, because resistor and current are always in the same phase, right? So that means I can write VR, correct, T is equal to V naught R, and then I can write same phase, right? Correct. Okay. Now V naught R is equal to I naught R. Correct. Or I can say it's 4 into 3. Correct. Which is equal to 12. Right. So I can put the value of V naught. So it becomes what? Let me use my own old pen. So this becomes what? VRT is equal to 12 sine 10t plus 7 degree. Okay. Now we will talk about what? VLT. So VLT is nothing but V naught, okay, L, and its sign, correct, it is 10t plus 7, plus 90, correct. Okay. Or I can say VLT is equal to, now we have to find V naught. So how we'll find V naught? In inductor, V naught in inductor, is equal to I naught into XL, right? Or I can say 4 into 4 is equal to 16, correct? Right? So I can directly put this becomes 16 sine 10t plus 97 degree. Okay, now let's solve another question. And here, as you see, this is a circuit with 6 ohm resistor and 0.3 Henry ohms inductor. This is a AC source. I is equal to 10 sine 20t plus 30. We have to find the normal parameters like XL, Z, V naught, VT, VRT and VLT. Let's get started. Now if you see here, we have, it's straightforward. XL is nothing but omega L, right, which is 20 into 0.3, which is 6 ohms, correct? Now Z is equal to XL square plus R square. It is 6 square plus 8 square, correct, 10 ohm, right? I naught is equal to what? We have to find I naught, correct? I naught is nothing but V naught by Z, correct? So V naught by Z, or I can say V naught is equal to I naught Z, and I naught is 10, it's given here 10, so it is 10 into 10 is equal to 100 volts. Okay, now coming on to let's come to what VT. So VT is equal to basically okay, so now we have to find VT, correct? Now for VT we know that this is the current, right? So we have to find the phase difference, whatever is the phase difference, and current should lag. So just add. So VT is equal to V naught sine 20t plus 30 plus 5, correct? Or I can say now to find Y, we know this is XL and this is what? This is L, R, correct? I'm sorry, this is I, R, and this is Z. Let's say this is phase phi. Similarly, we can say what? We can say V naught L, and this is what? V naught R, and this is V naught, okay, phi. Okay, now I can say 10 phi is equal to XL by R, or XL is what? 6 and 8 is equal to 3 by 4, correct? So if I say 10 phi is equal to 3 by 4, the value of phi would be, or here I can say phi is 37 degree. If I put it here, this becomes V T is equal to V naught sine 20t plus 30 plus 37, or I can say V naught sine 20t plus 67. Okay, so okay, so even this is done. Let's quickly move to VR. Now if we talk about what VRT, we know this, whatever is the phase here, it will remain the same because it's resistor, right? So I can say V naught R sine 20t plus 30, correct? Or I can just put in the value. This is what I naught r sine 20t plus 30, or I can say it's 80 sine 20t plus 30, which is what? VRT. Okay, now the last thing left is what? VL, T. This can be written as, here I can say it's V naught, L sine. Okay, now we are asking inductor. In inductor, what happens is, the voltage is ahead, correct? So we will just add 90 with whatever phase we have here. So I can write it what? 20t plus 30 plus 90, correct? Or if I put the value I naught XL sine 20t plus 120, further I can say, yeah, or I can say VL with T is equal to 60 sine 20t plus 120. So this is the last fourth answer. Okay.